Okay, sis. Before we get into this, let me be very clear. This is not sponsored. Nobody said this to me. Nobody asked me to post this. I bought this myself, okay? I'm sharing because I genuinely love tools that help me stay visible and consistent online. And this is something I truly find useful for myself and for my audience. So here's the content planner bundle. It's a Luxe edition from Luxe Scale Planners, created by Amber Charnice. I've been following Amber for about a year now. She has been such an inspiration to me when it comes to building systems, digital tools, and even selling digital products. She actually creates things that helps creators show up with intention. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. But let me tell you, the first thing that I noticed when opening the box, and I'm going to show you a clip of the video, man, presentation is key for everything with me. And the one thing that I can tell you with Luxe Scale Planners is that they nailed the experience for their customers. They went over and beyond. And I am so excited and happy for her because this is huge to have something with so much detail for creators that was actually created by a creator themselves. It's game changing. When you open up the box, the first thing you notice is such a pleasant smell, like immediately calming and luxurious. It lets you know this was curated with care. Then on the inside lid, there's a quote that honestly sets the entire tone. When in doubt, create it anyway. If that isn't a word for creators who overthink posting, I don't know what is. Everything is laid out neatly. There's a card that says it's giving your new favorite planning tool. And I'm going to show you the card right here. And then on the back, there's a sweet thank you note that you will receive from their brand as well. Then there's a QR code that allows you to scan and share your unboxing video and tag their brand and share it with them as well. I thought this was a great touch. Not only that, the card is sprayed with that luxurious scent as well. It smells so good. Me being the person I am, I went ahead and put this to the side and kept it. And I'm going to keep it to the scent well. I just love it. I love that scent. Okay, let's get back to it. As I was stating, the back has a sweet thank you note, which I love because it feels so personal. You also see the beautifully branded wrapping paper and sticker. And again, it's the details for me. Nothing about this feels rushed or careless. So this Luxe Edition Content Planner Bundle includes the A5 6-ring Luxe Content Planner, a golden pen, custom sticker sheets, the But Did You Post It content checklist notepad, and the Let's Batch It video planning notepad. And everything in here is designed to support clarity, consistency, and growth, not just aesthetics. First impressions. Let's start with the planner. This is an A5 6-ring refillable binder, and it feels premium with this luxury leather detail. And then the back even has the brand name on it. Isn't it nice? Girl, it's giving CEO energy. It's giving, I'm taking my content more seriously in 2026. And the gold pen that comes with it, yes, it comes with a gold pen. Check it out. You twist it to open it and you twist it to close. Such a nice touch. It completes the whole experience. Now, I gotta admit, when you first get this, all the contents are packaged individually. The binder details, the tabs, the sticker pages, the notepads, they're all separate. But I'm going to show you how I have mine set up. It'll help if I pull this out. Inside, you've got tabs, pockets, big pages, and layouts that are actually made for content creators, not just generic planning. The foundation tab is where everything starts. This section helps you get clear on your why, your audience, your goals, your vision, your avatar, your aesthetic, your tone, and your communication strategies. And this is important because if you don't know who you're talking to or why you're posting, consistency will always feel hard for you. This section helps you build visibility with intention, so your content actually connects with your audience. Show you the foundation tab. Okay, and there are other pages along with laying the foundation, but I love it. The next tab is the creation tab. This is where you plan, girl. This is where you come up with your content pillars, your content posts, your video content, your social media content, your sponsored posts, and a full brain dump. Girl, this tab helps you stop staring at your phone, wondering what to post, and start pulling from a plan you already created. It makes content creation feel lighter and more doable. You also get monthly planning and weekly posting schedules, which allow you to plan around real life. You can map out filming days, posting days, engagement, time, and rest, which is key if you're a mom, a business owner, or both. Consistency doesn't come from doing more. It comes from planning smarter. I'm going to go ahead and give you a brief idea of what the month looks like. And then you have your weeks. Week 1, 2, 3, and 4 look identical. The pages are thick, very luxury. And then you go into the next month. The monthly tabs, there's the tracking and growth tab. And this part right here is for the girl building towards income. You can track your growth stats, finances, your tax write-offs, your brand campaigns and pitches, affiliate links, and so much more. This helps you see what's actually working for you because visibility is great, but visibility with strategy is how you grow and get paid. It also includes custom sticker sheets. Functional and cute, I must admit. Perfect for tracking lunches, filming days, promos, and posting while keeping everything organized and aesthetic. I told you. Very cute. Now, moving on to the notepads. The But Did You Post It checklist pad. Look at that gold detail, y'all. Gold is one of my favorite colors, I gotta tell you. And the way that they created this, the detail and everything, even the screw-like touches, it's so cute. This notepad is great for visibility. It helps you track where your content has been posted so you can intentionally repurpose instead of forgetting where things went. One piece of content can work across multiple platforms, and this can help you stay consistent without extra effort. Now moving on to the Let's Batch It video planning pad. Same detail. Love it. Several pages to use. This notepad is perfect for batch filming. You can plan your hook, talking points, platform, and call to actions. So when it's time to fill, you're confident and prepared instead of overwhelmed. So overall, girl, this bundle is giving structure, clarity, and intention, which is why I wanted to share it so bad. And again, this is not sponsored. This is just something I personally bought, genuinely like, and truly believe can help creators who want to stay visible without burning out. If you want me to show you how I'm filling mine out for January, comment Luxe below. And if you grab one for yourself, tag me. Because when in doubt, sis, create it anyway.